Khan's Maths 5 Plus, page 20. Dear students, today we learn about concept of heavy, heavier, heaviest. You know, things can be heavy, heavier, and heaviest depending on their weight in comparison to each other. The opposite of heavy is light. Look at this picture. You see a tractor here, which is heaviest. The motorbike is heavier, but the bicycle is heavy in weight. It also means that motorbike is heavier than the bicycle, but the tractor is the heaviest. Hence, the tractor is heaviest among the motorbike and bicycle, while the baby tricycle is light in weight. Let's have activity time. Write H for the heaviest one. You see a drum, a canister, and a can of oil in this picture. Write H in the circle by the drum because it is the heaviest. Respectable teachers and parents, explain to the children the concept of heavy, heavier, heaviest so that they may compare objects with reference to their weight. Also, show them flashcards for the revision of heavy, heavier, heaviest, and ask them to recognize the heaviest object. Help them to understand the concept of heavy, heavier, heaviest through practical demonstration in the classroom. Ask the children to name all heavy, heavier, and heaviest objects they see in their immediate surroundings. Appreciate the children who recognize well and understand the difference between heavy, heavier, heaviest. Thank you.